Okay, we're a little bit further down the road now. We're at just outside of Mooseman. That's Mooseman there. Just trying.
We're right in the core of the storm. There is some nice lighting down there too. Come on, give me another CG.
There's a tower right in front. There's a tower right in front of me. If it hits that, that would be
sweet.
Oh yeah, that actually looks pretty good on the video because it's. Okay, so this is just east of Brandon. And it is 10:46 Saskatchewan time, 11:46 Manitoba time. And we're heading towards south of Winnipeg, so we've still got a lot of driving to go.
Where's 13? Out there? Can you make it? Oh, so 33, 31.
Road closed, we gotta go back. This is south of Portage. Well, if I can see the screen here, okay. We got Mammoths right over top of us. Woohoo! Time to go. We're straight south of Morris right now, right?
Yep. Maybe a vehicle just driving, I don't know.
I was thinking it was a farmer plowing his fields, or it could be just smoke from a factory over there. I'm not sure what's over there. Okay, it's 5:30 Central Standard Time, Manitoba time. We're south of Morris, just waiting for cells to pop up coming from the south. And we're thinking it's going to be over that.
Taking a video of my vehicle after it got rear-ended. We're chasing with an injured vehicle. Have you taken a video of that?
I'm taking it right now. I'm getting a close-up. There it is. Well, we're at Barney's Restaurant and Grill in a town we can't pronounce near the border here. We haven't really gone far because there is absolutely nothing happening. So that is the end of the story. We are going back home.